back with another video. What's going on YouTube? Shout out to all my Sub-Zero squad out there. I just made that up right now. It's another beautiful day in sunny Phoenix, Arizona. It's kind of windy, so I hope y'all can hear me. But yeah, man, appreciate everybody who watched my last video. You know, it was fun doing. It took a long time to make, but it's all worth it because the grind don't stop. But right now, I'm heading to the mailbox, and I forgot my mailbox key. But I'm heading to the mailbox because I'm actually waiting on some custom badges to come in, you know, for Sub-Zero and everything like that. And I'm super happy about that. So, you know, I just can't wait for that to come in because that's gonna be super crazy. You know, shout out to Badge King, because he's the one who did my custom badges and everything. And go ahead and get this mailbox key. Well, it's supposed to be here today, so you know how you get something in the mail and you can't wait till it get here. So it's about 10 o'clock right now. I don't know if the mail came, but we gonna find out. And I just tripped. I just tripped. Who's seen it? Anybody see that? Oh man. The perks of vlogging, right? You know you tripping, still gotta look to see, but all y'all just seen it. Don't whatever. Here we go. Man, it's super windy here. We got it. Super excited. Alright, y'all, I had to cut back to the car. Just want to show y'all the opening of my badging for my vehicle. Let me stop talking. Let's get into it. Once again, shout out to the Badge King for doing this custom work. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh, there you go. Let's plug them. Let me see. Over here to focus. I can't see, but you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all follow the Badge King. Boom. Make sure y'all get his info. Pause the video if y'all need to. Boom. We in here. Alright, see, a lot of people don't really do this one, but we got the warning labels Sub-Zero edition. You know, so when you put your sun visor down, wow! Y'all see how I just did that? I didn't even hesitate. Anyway, but that's gonna go right there. You know, man, that's crazy. And I literally ordered those last minute. I was like, hey man, look, I think I'm into the warning labels because I haven't seen nobody with the Dodge Charger sun visor warning labels custom. So now we ain't got to look at this ugly stuff no more. Moment of truth. Let's see what these badges looking like. So, yo, the Badge King and came through with it. Yo, I'm so hyped, y'all. All right, look at that. Yo, so we got the wheel badge, or the wheel, yeah, that's the wheel badge or something like that. I forgot what it's called. We got the push to start, fight, finish him logo. You know, y'all can see that. And of course we got the Sub-Zero edition that's gonna go on the dash badging. And then we got, of course, we got the Sub-Zero with the Dodge Charger. You know, the man, look, the Dodge Charger symbol. I can't even say it, man. I'm so hyped right now. And then of course on the wheel badging, you have Sub-Zero right there. What? They put it behind this white paper so y'all can see it a little bit better. See what it look like. Shit, yeah. Got it in soap and water, and I gotta go rub down the badge where the badges and stuff goes. Gotta rub that down real good and clean. I think I'm supposed to clean it with alcohol. You think rubbing alcohol would be better?
No, because it says soap and water.
Soap and water. Okay, soap and water. All right, y'all. We in the car. I'll put them in. Finna put the stickers on. Sub-Zero stickers. Or the badging. Sub-Zero badging. I know I'm in a whole completely different outfit, but because when I made the last video, I didn't know I had to wait 3 days to officially put them on, because you know, I didn't want them to bubble up and everything. But I got to use soapy water, clean the badging area real good, and you know what I'm saying, just really get to it. So they'll stick a little bit better. So let me just go ahead and do that real quick. Y'all enjoy it. And the finish, bro. Hold on. Yeah. Ain't nobody else got that but me. Y'all see a little blue ice crystals over there? Oh, with the blue things at the bottom. That video's coming later, so don't worry about that right now. Anyway, now it's time to do the rest. And we are done. Yo. Tell me what y'all think. I think that's the tightest one. There's no room. Oh, don't want to get copywritten. Yeah, man. That'd be tight if I get that blue, the lettering. You know, hopefully we find somebody to do that, but that's what we at. You got the blue lights, everything in here is ice cold. Of course, down there we got the Sub-Zero edition. It's a little off on video, but you know, I'll probably adjust it. You know, up here you got the warning labels. Might be a little hard to see, but got the Sub-Zero edition warning labels. But you know, I put them upside down right here because I guess when I do car shows, I can just put it down and then it'll be right side up. So that's what it looks like. You know, we slowly but surely getting there. You know, but yeah. So then when you looking at it, you know, it'll say Sub-Zero edition. But yeah, man, hope y'all enjoyed the video. You know what I'm saying? Give me a like, comment, subscribe. And you know, we growing. So shout out to Badge King. I'm gonna put his info down in the description. He the one who did these for me. Sub-Zero edition badging, you know, great dude. So make sure y'all hit him up, and we out.